In this tutorial, you'll learn how to turn a PowerPoint presentation into a video using Canva. To get started, select the Upload option to begin your project. Next, click the Upload Files button to bring your PowerPoint or PDF into Canva. Once uploaded, open your file to begin editing and preparing your slides for video. Now, click the Animate button to explore animation options for your slides. Try the Breathe animation for subtle movement, and select Fade if you want an elegant slide transition. When you're satisfied with your effects, click Apply to all pages to make sure every slide uses the animation. To export as a video, click the Share button and choose Download to access your file options. Select the video format from the drop-down and click Download to save your animated presentation as a video. You've successfully learned how to convert a PowerPoint to video in Canva.